Hi all, today we have the Budan Bolt. The machine comes in two colors, red and black. The machine is set up here along with the box. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box and then I'll show you how you can make a beverage of your choice using this machine. Inside the box, you'll find the Budan Bolt, a 51 mm portafilter for ground coffee, a 51 mm portafilter for pods, a single shot basket and a double shot basket, along with a detachable water tank, drip tray, a tamper and the user manual. Make sure all the components are clean and properly placed before you use. Talking about the initial setup of the machine, make sure you've placed the machine on a flat surface near power. First step would be to remove and rinse the water tank and fill it up with fresh water. Once you've filled up the water tank, turn on the machine. The machine has 3 buttons, one for power, one for a single shot and one for a double shot. Before brewing your first coffee, run plain water through the group head. This helps in cleaning of internal components and preheating the machine. Coming to brewing coffee, there are 2 attachments that come with the machine, one for pod and one for ground coffee. Let's start with the ground coffee attachment. There are 2 baskets. For the single shot basket, use 7 to 8 grams of coffee, and for a double shot basket, use 15 to 16 grams. Start by adding freshly ground coffee and evenly tamp the coffee bed. Place a cup beneath, then press the button. And just within a few seconds, you'll have cafe quality espresso ready at home. Coming to brewing with pods. Take the pod attachment, open it up, take a coffee pod, put it inside, and insert the portafilter. You can choose between the shot that you want, a single or a double. And just within a few seconds, your shot would be ready. Convenient and consistent every single time. Coming to milk-based drinks. To begin with, take a milk pitcher, pour in some cold milk, put the machine on steam mode, and wait until it's ready to steam. Once the machine is ready to steam, purge the steam wand, and then place the milk pitcher under the steam wand. Steam until you get to your desired texture and temperature. Immediately wipe the steam wand after use and purge it. And you have silky textured milk ready for your lattes and cappuccinos. And you have a creamy cappuccino ready at home. Coming to cleaning and maintenance. To keep the Budan Bolt performing well, always ensure removing the used coffee puck or pod and rinsing of portafilter after each use. Wipe the steam wand immediately after steaming milk. Empty and clean the drip tray regularly. Clean and refill the water tank as needed. That's how you can set up, use and maintain the Budan Bolt, a flexible machine that lets you choose between single or double shots, pods or ground coffee, with the option to customize every cup.